can create very simple graphics using these techniques. Now if I hover my mouse over the tool palette, you can see that we can get it looking long and skinny and short and fat. So it gives us more options to see the tools available. Now if I go to the rectangle tool and we don't want a outline, we just want our fill, and I have a dark grey colour there. And if I start drawing so we can create quite simple quite simple graphics using these simple shapes. Now if I go to the tool palette, I can adjust the tool palette so it's short and fat and long and thin, so we can adjust it to see all the tools available to us. So if I go to the stroke color, I'm going to specify that we don't want a stroke. If I go to the fill color, I'm going to choose a nice dark grey. So I'm going to start drawing on the stage, and as you see, when we draw we create a keyframe. So I'm just going to draw these simple shapes. So this will be like a backdrop for a city. Some buildings here. And because we're drawing with the same colour, you can see that the shapes are merging into each other. And if we use the selection tool and hold down the Option or Alt key until we see, let's go here, it's better. Just hover above the line till we see that sharp corner. We can create points. So these are the points for our city. I'm doing this very quickly. And we can see a curve there, that could be a dome. And with the rectangle tool, if we choose another colour here, and we can draw in the windows here. Maybe a door here. So I'm doing this very quickly just to demonstrate how straightforward it is to create a simple shape. So in the layers palette, I am going to call this city. Click OK. I'm going to create a new layer here, and I'm just going to hide that one. And again, if we go to the rectangle tool, I'm going to choose a brown colour. You can bend. Oops. Let's just zoom in there so that we can bend. There we go, there's the magnifying. There we go. There we go, let's hold down the Alt. tree. Let's hold down, whoops, the duplicate. And let's use the circle tool to create the leaves. So let's create our leaves. Let's turn that into a green. That's a bit more green. So on the option, copies. And let's of course we can make that there we go. Can move that there, and we can pick this up and move it there. We zoom out, but we have our tree. Let's put that there. And we can make duplicates of this. Let's make sure we've got everything selected and the selection tool, and we can make duplicates of our tree.